Let's see how to insert citations in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, let's say that we want to cite a certain portion of our document. So let's go ahead and cite this first paragraph as our highlighted text. Now, to do that, head on over to the References tab. And right here, you should be able to find Insert Citation. Now, when you click on that, you'll see two options, either to add a new source or to add a new placeholder for your citation. Now go ahead and click on New Source, and this window should pop out right here where you can input your type of source, where you can add an author, and if you gathered your information, if you cited your work, if you cited a work from a journal article, for example, you should be able to input the author, the title of the article, the journal name where you got it from, the year when it was published, and the pages of the journal where you got your source from. And you'll notice that it is almost different for every single one of these. And it's because different sources often require different types of citations. Now let's go ahead and input our data right here. For example, let's copy the example down here at the bottom. Now click on OK. And as you can see, that block of text has now been transformed into a citation right here and has been input as a placeholder for our source. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.